Ever been in class or a meeting and your stomach decides to perform a concert? It's not asking for attention, it's just cleaning up your digestive system. When your stomach's empty, your brain sends signals to your intestines to squeeze out leftover food and gas. And that noisy rumble, that's called borborygmi. Yeah, fancy word for stomach growl.
So next time your belly growls, don't be embarrassed. Just say, "Relax, guys, my stomach's rebooting."
Stay curious, stay weird. This is Fact Fuel.